Welcome back to Puerto Rico. In this video, we're flying through the rainforest on a zipline, grabbing lunch at the super popular waterfront spot La Parrilla, and exploring the colorful streets of Old San Juan. We also made a stop at Barachina while wandering the city. But the most memorable part of this trip was getting to officiate a wedding right here in Puerto Rico, which might be one of the most beautiful places in the world to say, I do. Congratulations, Maddie and Carter. And during this trip, we stayed at the incredible San Juan Marriott Resort right on the beach. It was awesome. So, let's get into it.
We're about to do the Rainforest Zipline in UK National Forest. So, come along with us. I did this in 2016 with Lexi. Shout out to Lexi. Came here on college spring break.
Let's be friends.
Yeah, I didn't realize this was the same one until we got here.
You just raced.
I won. Landon started filming and I think panicked a little bit and put his hand in front of the brake instead of behind and almost took his hand off.
Hey, we got to go ahead to film though.
Amateur.
Sorry.
We'll be a pro by the end of it.
She's done this before. Nice. That one was fast. We made it.
Was it fun? Are y'all sweating? It was hot?
Your girl hasn't woken up. Alright, we're at La Parrilla. KK's trying the alcaparrilla.
Mine tastes like a crab cake.
Crab cake?
Kind of. What is it again?
Alcaparrilla.
That's not how food is.
Noah, how's your food?
Great.
Mine tastes like a crab cake.
What are these?
Cheese. Fried cheese.
Fried cheese.
Y'all could eat one of these. It's different.
What'd you get, Steve?
Just fried shrimp.
KK?
Stuffed grouper.
Stuffed grouper.
Yeah.
I got the shrimp mofongo, is that how you say it? And then
No, I got.
Ken's got fried cheese.
No, I got grouper nuggets off the kids menu.
Is that what that is?
Landon, I'm taking a bite of this. I
No.
want to taste it.
This is the kids meal, which is a lot of food for not a lot of money. Also, if you are a breastfeeding mom, whenever you travel, make sure you have one of these covers. We'll link one in the description that we got this one on Amazon. But honestly, this makes it way more convenient just to be out and about to just feed her wherever. So.
Welcome to San Juan.
MTV, and welcome to my crib.
MTV.
Oh gosh. Boomer in the house, Boomer in the house.
Why did you say MTV?
Yep, this is definitely making the video.
So we're staying at the San Juan Marriott Stellaris and Casino Hotel, I think is the name of it. We're in a double room, so we have 2 queen-size beds, one for me and Landon and one for the boomers. And then Noah wants to show you her bed. He said, "This is my bed right here." You just have to ask the front desk to send up a crib, and they will hook you up with one if you need one. Noah and KK share this bed, actually. Depending on the night. So you have 2 beds, you have a nice little lounge chair, and you have a balcony that overlooks the pool and the beach. So there's 2 pools, a water slide, a hot tub, and then immediate beach access. Landon went to the gym this morning, and there's full gym, right?
Yep, sauna.
A sauna, lots of good amenities. So it's a great place. Around like the middle of the day, they start blaring music. So if those are the vibes that you want, you can get them here. Noah is ready to go explore Old San Juan. And then this is the balcony over here. It's very messy, but it's really neat. Nice. Glad you got the inside view of the shower.
Hey, that shampoo. That's nice soap.
Look at all the little cubbies.
Yeah, there's a lot of good space. Put your stuff.
Okay. We're headed to, where are we going, KK? Old San Juan. Today we're exploring the colorful streets of Old San Juan.
With the stroller. Didn't take long.
He doesn't know one thing about it. Go ahead, Steve. Tell him.
The oldest church established in what is now known the United States in the early 1500s and contains the remains of the explorer Ponce de Leon.
It's actually the 2nd oldest church in the Western Hemisphere and the oldest church on U.S. soil. And it contains the tomb of Ponce de Leon. Actually, on the other side, it's red and white. The San Juan Gate. Access to and from San Juan was controlled through 5 gates or puertas within the 3-mile wall that enclosed the city. Each gate had a different function. This was the formal or symbolic entrance into San Juan.
People would enter through this gate and then walk up the hill that we just came down to enter the cathedral to give thanks to God for a safe voyage.
San Juan is named after John the Baptist, and the inscription over the San Juan Gate is in Latin, and it says, "Blessed are those who come in the name of the Lord."
Amen.
Amen.
Preach, preacher.
Back through the gate of San Juan. Just picked up our Christmas ornament souvenir from one of the gift shops. If you've watched any of our other videos, you know that we always get Christmas ornaments when we travel, because around Christmas time it's fun to see all the places that we've been able to travel together. And so if you're ever looking for an ornament where you're like, not an ornament, if you're ever looking for a souvenir where you're like, I need something that I'm going to use and not just like throw in a drawer somewhere, highly recommend getting Christmas ornaments, because you know you'll always use them every single December, and you'll be able to think about all your memories from all the trips and places that you've traveled.
Y'all kind of look alike.
This is the main plaza, Plaza de Colón, and that is the statue of Christopher Columbus. What did he do, Landon?
I asked you first.
In 1492?
Yeah, he sailed the ocean blue.
Christopher Columbus sailed the ocean blue. San Cristobal.
Castillo San Cristobal.
That's the Castillo San Cristobal fort. We're not going up it.
Castillo San Cristobal.
Okay. We're not going up it because Mom broke her toe. And we've seen it. I've seen it before.
Alright, Kens. How was traveling through Old San Juan with a baby?
Fine. It's hot. You gotta pick up your stroller every once in a while. But for the most part, it's pretty stroller friendly. Who wants to go to the Four Seasons Orlando?
Probably are setting up.
Hey, beach
She
babe.
definitely moved. You change this girl. Okay, so why are we in Puerto Rico?
So I got asked to officiate a wedding from a former student of mine, Maddie. Thank you, Maddie and Carter. Thank you so much for asking me to do your wedding. So we've been here in San Juan for their wedding this weekend. Bride and groom of the wedding got us this cute little outfit. Noah's first trip, Puerto Rico.
Some quality time with our KK. Do you love your KK? Do you love her?
Time for our diaper change. This little pad, diaper changing pad, comes in super handy. And we're in this tight little space right above the toilet. Are you ready to get your diaper changed? Did you poo-poo again? Yeah. So this is it. It's not too bad. They make it pretty easy on you. We've got an hour left till we land in Orlando.
She's still cute. You should still travel even if you help us, you baby.
We did it.
We have successfully completed our first plane trip with a baby, and I feel like we got a good mix. The first leg on the way to Puerto Rico, she slept the whole time, which was a dream. And then
Today, not so much.
it was still fine. She was awake.
She was a great
She
baby.
cried some. She was happy most of the time, but I feel like we got both ends. We got an awake baby and a sleeping baby, and
Lots of diapers to change on this flight back.
yeah, but I mean, both were fine. We did it.
You can
We're
do it.
here. We've got the memories. So keep following along with all of our travels. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, because we're not done traveling. We're just going to keep it going with baby Noah.